Okay, you need to go to the bathroom. I can tell. You need to go take a little Cicerone break. Hey, thank you for the kiss. Okay, I'll be right back. She needs to go potty. Yakuza 0, no questions asked? Exactly, dude. Exactly. Come on, make the noise again. Make the noise again, thing. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. What the fuck's wrong with you, loser? Make the fucking noise. Come on. What? Come on. You're making it outside. Come on. God damn it. No, I'm not talking to Sif. I'm talking to the cicada I've got in my hand. He was making this fucking frog noise. Sif found him and wanted to eat him. And now he's decided he doesn't want to talk anymore. Come on, buddy. What's wrong? I see you moving your legs, asshole. Come on, make the noise. I'm gonna let you out once you make the noise. Come on, dude. Now I look like an asshole. Can't believe it flew into my house, dude. Alright, well, you wanna be my co-host for the stream, little dude? You wanna play some video games? I'm sure you'll speak up eventually, right? Come on. You had such a pretty song, dude. He doesn't want to make the fuck... He's moving. I see him moving in the towel. I have him in a towel. Buddy? Sif, you scared him. This is your fault. Hey, buddy. Come on. Alright, I'm gonna let him out. I don't think he wants to talk. Alright. He didn't want to be my homie. Can you believe that? Oh, yeah. What the fuck, dude? I thought we were gonna be friends. I saw him outside. Then he flew into my fucking house. I saved him before Sif got to him. And she sniffed him, and he started making this noise. And so I brought him up, and he didn't want to make the noise anymore.